If we attach our happiness to achieving a goal, we're really in for a bit of bother, because if we don't achieve it, or if it looks like we're not going to achieve it, we'll give up, we'll get down, the self-doubt will creep in, that voice in your head starts having a go at you. And even if you do predicate it on achieving the goal, you will get to the goal. You know how quickly these things pass. You were a kid once who was excited about Christmas Day. It arrived, you unwrapped the presents, and what happened to all the excitement? It just dissipates, right? I mean, if it's on some future outcome, if it's delayed gratification, you'll spend a lot of time being unhappy. If you don't get the goal, or you look like you're not going to, you'll be unhappy. If you do get it, you'll be briefly happy. So attaching our worth and our happiness to goals is a pretty bad idea. It's called the hedonic treadmill. When you achieve something, you feel happy, but it doesn't take long to adapt and then lose that happiness. So you're then on the treadmill again, and the cycle keeps repeating. So does that mean don't set goals? For me, absolutely not. But goals are your compass. They are your direction. They show you your true north towards your vision. And what you predicate your happiness on is who you become in the pursuit of achieving the goals, because that's always going to happen.